Every year we're promised the best Nexus camera ever by Google, and with the Pixel, we got teased with something slightly different and even more promising, the best camera in any smartphone. Google arrived at this conclusion not just through marketing hype, but thanks to analysis by XMR testers, racking up the highest score yet for a phone at 89, higher than the 88 for the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Sure enough, our own side-by-side camera tests showed that the Pixel XL's 12.3MP shooter is outstanding, capturing some of the most highly detailed and color-accurate photos we've seen on a phone. Is it really better than the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge camera? Yes and no. Samsung amps up its photos with more saturated tones in almost every shot, and really cranks up the brightness and deep hues. That's awesome for blue skies and green grass, where everything really comes alive against white clouds. The day, and everyone in your photo, looks unnaturally perfect. The Pixel XL has vivid colors, and low light performance is almost as good, but where it wins out is when things become too bright for Samsung's otherwise leading camera. Catch something that's already too bright in your photo on the S7 Edge, like beach sand on a sunny day, and the sand can become overblown and it really distorts the scenic beach photo. The Pixel XL captures more natural tones, and shots may come off as a bit duller in side-by-side matchups, but it works well enough in almost every scenario. To put it simply, Samsung ups the brightness and contrast, Google stays more consistent.